Hello my dear YouTube subscribers. First of all, I want to thank you for 200 subscriptions. I appreciate it. And I have to admit that I received one very funny comment from one of you guys. I think the name was Steve, am I right? So Steve had a special wish and he was subscriber number 200, so I have to fulfill his wishes. And I had a feeling that Steve was pretty much annoyed with the music in one of my videos. And that video is this one. So what does Steve want? He wanted to hear actually a sound of TOHATSU outboard engine by full throttle without any music, because he said he cannot hear it because of my modern music. So Steve, you really made me laugh. Thank you for that, and I will fulfill your wish. So not to talk too much, here is a present for you, Steve. Thank you for your comment, thank you for your subscription, and I hope you will be satisfied with this video. So here is the sound of TOHATSU 6 horsepower outboard engine by full throttle, and of course without modern music, as you said. So enjoy it. I hope you will be satisfied.